How to see analytics on TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. Launch your YouTube application from your device and get logged into your YouTube account. Now let's go ahead and open up our profile. Now once you're at this page, tap on three bar icon on your top right hand side and tap on TikTok Studio. Once done, you will see analytics option. Here tap on view all. Now it will provide the overview of all the analytics of all your posts. Here you can see the profile views, post views, likes, and comments. And at this section, you will see most views, most likes, and how many followers you have gained from a particular video. Likewise, you can also explore other options. In my case, I don't have much post, so it's showing empty for now. But if you have uploaded many videos, you will be able to see all your analytics at this page. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.